CSUN IT is decommissioning the UDrive and replacing it with Box. In this video, we'll show you how you can drag your files from the UDrive and drop them directly into Box. First, open up a new browser window and go to mycsun.account.box.com and log in with your CSUN credentials. In Windows, navigate to your UDrive on your computer. For more information on connecting to the UDrive, check the link in the video description. Now create a new folder in Box for your UDrive files. Then select the files in your UDrive, click and hold, and drag them over and drop them into Box. In macOS, navigate to the UDrive in your network folders, then select the files, click and hold, and drag and drop them into Box.
Now, your files will be available to you through any web browser, the Box app, or Box Drive.
For more information on Box, visit csun.edu/it/mycsunbox.